Good day and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to explore how you can decipher large PDF files that are difficult to understand. And we're going to have a look at a way of making them easy peasy to understand. Now, the software that we're going to be using is called ChatPDF. Now, some of the advantages of using ChatPDF is that it can simplify super large files that are difficult to understand. It sums it up in a few sentences for you, and there are many ways that you can get these PDFs onto the website. Now, without further ado, let us jump in to our browser and type in ChatPDF. So it is going to be your first search result there, chatpdf.com, and we are just going to jump straight into that page. So this is what the home page looks like, and there are a few options here. Basically, what they show you is what this software can be used for. So if you're a student, if you're using it for work, or if you just want information simplified for you. Then there are three different ways, as I explained earlier, to get the PDF to this website, and it's quite easy. If you need any support from the company or from the team, you can join a Discord channel. You can also post stuff on Twitter with regards to your PDFs that you want to simplify, and then you can also quite easily share on Facebook with those three buttons up at the top. So let's jump straight in. The first way we are going to upload a PDF is we are going to use our computer and we are going to import one. So I have just imported a PDF here, and it is about Botox. So the PDF is about 1,000 words, and what it's doing here is it's summing it up in a few short sentences. So if you have a look at what they've done here, they've taken 1,000 words and they've basically summed it up into a few sentences so that you can better understand what it is that the PDF is saying. And then it's given you some questions so that you can better understand the information. So the three questions that it's given is basically a way of you to find out new information from the PDF. What we're going to do here is we are going to ask it a question. You can pretty much ask it anything you'd like, given the information is in the PDF. Now, of course, the larger the PDF, the more information it will have. I know that this PDF, this file has this information in it, so I'm asking how long do the results last? So it's given you a pretty straightforward answer over there, and basically it has answered your question straight to the point. I'm going to ask it another question, and it's going to be how long does the results take to show? So what it's given me back here is an answer that sums up probably a 200 to 300 word paragraph in the article, and it is giving me a short yet to the point description. So when you're done here, you can see on the top right hand side of your screen that you can share this chat. If you have other members on your team that you want to communicate with, then you can also rename the chat. You can download your chat, and then you can reset the chat, which would clear it. And then finally, you can delete the chat. So before we do anything more, we are going to jump back onto the home page, and I'm going to show you how you can upload a PDF file using a URL. Now, what I've done is I have already looked for a PDF file on the internet. So this is a 3-page file, and it's about another cosmetic treatment. So if you see here, this 3-page document, it's got quite a bit of information. ChatPDF has actually summed it up in a few short sentences. So these few short sentences basically sum up what this entire document is about. So this document basically is also around about 1,000 words, and it is now being summed up in just a few sentences. So what I'm going to do is, instead of typing in my own question, I am going to use one of the suggested questions that they have given me, and it says, what conditions can this treatment actually treat? So there is a very short explanation. It's straight to the point. You don't have to read through 1,000 words to get your answer. And all the information that they are giving you here is directly from the PDF. They are not using any sources outside of the PDF. Again, we are going to jump back onto the home page and we are going to find a PDF. Now, the way you can do this is you just find a PDF and type in whatever it is that you want to find a PDF for. So it won't bring up websites, it won't bring up anything else but PDF format search results. So I've put in another cosmetic treatment, and these cosmetic treatments are all more or less the same. So what I've done is I've used it as an example so that we can just pull some information from something that isn't straightforward and clear. These cosmetic treatments are very involved and very advanced. So what I've done here is the first search result, I have tapped on that, and it is also probably quite a large document. You can actually view the document itself. But what it's done is it has given me a very short, very helpful PDF explanation. And it has given me, again, some example questions. So what we can do here again is, if we're not 100% clear, we can ask one or two questions, or we can use some of the example questions that they've given us. Now I'm going to jump back into the home page, and I am going to just show you that your PDFs are available. However, you need to sign in so that you can save your work. So what I've done here is I've actually just signed in quickly, and that's a simple email address and password. You sign up and then you can sign in the future. So you can see all of your PDFs are here, and you can basically share this chat on Facebook, Twitter, or you can copy the link. You can maybe send it via any other social media of your choice. You can also rename the chat, which I am going to do here. I'm just going to give it a title so that my files are organized and I know what it is in each file. And then you can export chat. Basically, it just puts it into a TXT, which is a text format, and that would be opened on Word, Microsoft Word. And then you can reset your chat, or you can delete the chat. Now, what I've done here is I've reset it and I've deleted it just to show you what it looks like, that it's completely gone. Unfortunately, it is not recoverable. If you delete it, or if you clear the chat, you can't get it back. So make sure that when you're deleting a chat, you don't need it anymore. So then the next thing is, of course, when you're looking at pricing plans, you always want to know what you're getting and how much it costs, and how much of a free trial do you get. What do you get with the free versions? These days, everything has free versions. It allows you to use their software and get sort of a feeling for if it's right for you or not. So what I'm doing here, just to show you, you actually only get 3 uploads per day. So once those uploads are used up, you have to wait until the next day. So what I'm doing here basically is I'm uploading another PDF. This is actually a very large file. It's 74 pages. I'm now uploading another one. And you will see that when I upload this final one, or attempt to upload this final one, it tells me that I don't, in fact, have any more uploads available. So if you want to upgrade, your free account offers you 120 page PDFs, and that is 120 pages per PDF. Your total upload is 10 megabytes, and you can do 3 PDFs a day. You can also ask 50 questions a day. So that's a lot if you sort of, depending on what you need it for. However, if you do need more, there is a plus plan, which is $5 a month, which I think if you are going to be using this kind of volume, $5 is really not a lot of money. You get 2,000 page PDFs, which is very, very big. And then you can upload each PDF up to 32 megabytes. That's also very, very big for a PDF. Then you can do 50 PDFs a day, which is massive, and you get to ask 1,000 questions per day, which is also a lot of questions. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit us with a like. And if you like the content we put out, you can subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.